The legendary V6 is gone. And if you think that is a disaster, you are looking at it wrong. For 20 years, the Toyota 3.5-liter V6 was the gold standard. Bulletproof reliability, simple engineering. You could run them for 300,000 miles without opening the hood. Now, the new Tacoma, 4Runner, and even the Highlander have dropped it. Internet comments are furious. Everyone is screaming about no replacement for displacement. But Toyota does not make mistakes like this by accident. They replaced the legend with the iForce 2.4-liter turbo. On paper, a four-cylinder sounds like a downgrade. In reality, it is a weapon. Look at the torque curve. The old V6 was lazy. You had to rev it to 4,600 RPM to get any real power. It screamed, but it didn't pull. This new turbo engine changes the laws of physics. It produces significantly more torque than the V6 ever could, and it delivers that power instantly. At just 1,700 RPM, you have full pulling power. That transforms how the truck drives. It tows better, it passes on the highway easier, it doesn't hunt for gears on every hill. And if you step up to the iForce Max Hybrid, you are looking at torque numbers that rival V8s from 10 years ago. Toyota did not kill the V6 to save money. They killed it because it was obsolete. But there is a catch: complexity. The days of simple, fix-it-yourself engines are over. Turbos add heat, batteries add weight. You're trading simplicity for pure performance. The new engines are harder to work on. They have more parts that can fail. And we do not know if they will last 20 years like the old ones. So here's the reality check. The V6 is dead. But what replaced it is objectively better to drive. The question is, do you trust a turbo to last 300,000 miles? Or are you buying a used Tacoma while you still can? Let me know your move in the comments.